Alright, today we're going to take a look at my another one of my Auto World Deluxe Pick Kits. This is the 41 Willys gasser. So I think it turned out pretty nice. You can see here I added a sun visor. I added a piece down here below the grill. Also have the headers coming out the sides of the fenders there, and I lowered the back and raised the front just a hair to make it kind of look like a gasser. So let's put it on the track and see how she does. Here we go. Alright, I think she ran really good. I do always true my tires, so that always makes the cars run a lot better. You don't have any hop or wobble in them. And with the Thunder Jets, you can actually put the front tires on the back too, and that way you can true the front tires and make them nice and smooth. But yeah, I think it turned out good, runs great, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.